Welcome back to Baking with Your Toddler. Today we are going to make Roca, and she has no idea what that is, but it's like a candy bar. It's going to be so good. Alright, let's wash our hands. You ready to wash your hands?
Yeah!
Almond Roca, are you ready? A good friend of mine gave this to me. His mom and grandmother make it all the time, so we're gonna make him some. So we're gonna use 1 cup of sugar. Can you pour it in? All the way, tap, tap, tap. All right.
No. Tap, tap.
Tap, tap, that's right, good job. And you're stirring. Now this calls for an entire pound of butter. So this is
the big one.
It's a lot of butter. This is not something you want to do if you're on a diet. But yum, huh? Need some help. Here, let me get it started for you at least. Oh. Kind of a hard one to get, isn't it? Okay.
Big one.
That's a big butter.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, and then we got 1 tablespoon of water. Pour that in there.
Melt.
Melt? You gotta put it on heat first.
Here.
Heat.
Heat.
And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of, wait, put that in there. Gotta let Grandma get it full yet. Oh, okay, can you dump it in? Good job. Oop, keep it down low so it doesn't go everywhere. Yeah, it's sticky. Very sticky. And then 1 more. Okay, good job. Oh, yeah, you're drizzling all over the place here. I'll move that recipe back a little bit. You got it? And that's all that you need in the pan. So now we're gonna start heating it up. So we'll turn it up to a medium high. I usually either a 4 or 5.
Oh, I'm gonna melt it.
You just gotta wait a little bit. It's gonna start warming up. And then it'll start melting. Give it a little bit. Gotta give it a little while. Gotta be patient. Oh, there's Mom.
Oh. Again.
Yeah. Once your butter starts melting, it really helps because that way the sugar doesn't stay in a powder form.
Oh.
Okay, so as we're waiting for our mixture over here, nope, put it down on the counter. You gotta roll it, gentle. So as we're waiting for our stuff to come to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and we've pre-baked almond slivers in the oven for about 6 minutes to toast them. Put it in a baggie, and this is a time that you can use a rolling pin, you can use one of the meat mallets, a little hammer thing, and flip and play with it a little bit. And they can get the texture and just grind it up all they want. Because this will go on to our coffee. Okay.
Okay. Hot.
Yep. It's boiling hot.
The big top. Yeah.
That made a whistle.
I see.
You're a silly girl. Alright, so now we got our parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and we're taking our toasted almond slivers and just putting a bunch down. If you're not crazy about almond slivers, you can use less. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. You gonna put some more down? Sprinkle some more down. All over. Good job. More? You eating them all, you silly girl. You like your almonds, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put it all down. All right. Now, okay, now you gotta back up. Okay, back up, because this is hot. This is the hot part Grandma's gotta do.
Yes, okay.
Mm-hmm. So this will take approximately 1 to 2 hours for it to cool. So you will go ahead and tent some foil over the top of it and let it do its cooling. You can put it in the fridge as well, but it's better at room temperature. But being it's going to take 1 to 2 hours, we're not going to film that. But Miss MJ is dying for some chocolate, huh?
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Here.